Simple installation, heavy-duty adjustable twist lock mechanism base to securely fit phone holder to your vehicle's cup holder. One-click phone release button makes it easy to place or remove device from cradle. Designed with a gooseneck for ultimate flexibility and cushioned soft holder grips and backing to protect device from scratches or slipping on bumpy roads. About 13 inches in height. Drive safe and hassle-free. Our mount is designed with 360 rotation compatibility to securely place your device at the best desired viewing angle for you to drive safe and get to your destination using your device GPS. Universal phone compatibility with Galaxy, Fold, A9, A8 Plus, Galaxy S10 Plus, S10, S10e Note 8, Note 9, S9, S9 Plus, S9 Plus, S9 Plus, S8, S8 Plus, S8 Plus, S8 Plus, S8, J7 Refine, Huawei P30 Pro, Mate 20 Pro, P20 Pro, P20, Mate 20, Mate 20X, Mate 10 Pro, Mate 20 Lite, P10 Plus, P Smart 2019, Xiaomi Mi 8 Pro, Michigan 9, Mi Mix 3, Michigan 8, Mi Mix 2S, Otophone F1, Michigan 8, Lite Michigan A2, Mi A2 Lite, Mi Note 3, Mi Max 3. Redmi Note 7 Pro, Xiaomi Redmi 6 and other 3. 5-inch devices. 1 year and friendly customer service available for any product questions, comments and concerns. Top reviews from the United States. Worked as advertised. My husband is completely pleased with the fit and usage of his gift.